Welcome to Quiz+e. Let's test your knowledge on world history. Which event marked the beginning of World War I? The Meiji Restoration of 1868 occurred in which country? Which Indian emperor unified most of the Indian subcontinent in the 3rd century BCE? Who was the first emperor of unified China? Which treaty ended the American Revolutionary War? The French Revolution began in which year? Which dynasty ruled Vietnam for almost 150 years until 1945? The Battle of Waterloo was fought in which year? Who was the first president of the United States? Which empire ruled over much of Southeast Asia from the 9th to 15th centuries? The Protestant Reformation began in which country? Who founded the Mughal Empire in India? The Tokugawa shogunate ruled Japan until which year? Which Chinese dynasty was known for building the Great Wall? The American Civil War ended in which year? Who was the first female empress of China's Zhou dynasty? Which treaty established modern Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia? The Russian Revolution took place in which year? Who unified the kingdoms of England and Scotland? The ancient city of Angkor was the capital of which empire? Thank you for watching. For more such videos, like, share, and subscribe to Quiz+e.